Okay, next to the other TMI, the last TMI, it's about bug in computer. So, now bug is about when we have an error message or maybe a glitch, we can say that it's a computer bug. But do you guys know that bug is the name of bug is come from a real bug? So yeah, 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 yeah. In the past, at 1947, at Harvard University, um, the computer is a large, is a huge, is a big computer. So, mm, so the computer is name is called Harvard Mark II. Two, yeah. The mission is massive, massive, filling an entire room with wires, relays, and switches. Not like our computer, no, our laptop. Uh, our computer. Now, the wires, all of the machine is inside this laptop, different from the old old computer. Hmm. So one day, the machine stopped working properly. So they search, they yeah, they search where is the problem. After the investigation, the engineers found that there is a flaw inside and got stuck between the computer's relays. I'm sorry guys, I read cause this is I'm so sorry, three videos. I almost have a time to read cause I don't prepare it very well, but I try my best or not always read. So there is a really bug that that always fly inside the computer relays. So um they carefully remove it and tape it into the logbook with a note. Um first actual case of a bug being found. So because of that, mm, they has inspired or giving a name computer bug like that. Yeah. I want to show you the bug. Ngưng nè. I want to give you the picture of Harvard Mark II computer and the bug. Wait, yeah. This is the bug, the first actual computer bug. First actual case of bug. That's the bug. I don't like to seeing something like that. So to be honest, bug is like a oh, cars. Uh, they like every time there is something error in the computer. It's like an saying bug is like a card. Cars, cars. Yeah, cars. No, no, no. The spell is CURSED. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. That's all for 5 TMI. No, it's more than 5. But in the 5 videos. I'm so sorry, guys, if you cannot understand with what I said before, and or a bad explanation, and maybe the videos is really uh mm, when I read the script is really show at the video. I'm so sorry, guys, because I'm still a newbie at English language. Newbie, yeah, I'm still a newbie. Mm, I hope with this video, with all of these videos, I can make, I can pass the audition of Idea Scholarship. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and listening.